Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos believes Relebohile Mofokeng has all the qualities to succeed in Europe, but cautioned supporters not to expect instant results when the Orlando Pirates star completes his move to Belgian champions Union Saint-Gilloise. The 21-year-old departed Los Angeles on Tuesday for Belgium, where he is expected to finalize his transfer to the Belgian top-flight club after an impressive rise in South African football. Union Saint, one of the Belgium's leading clubs, will compete in the final qualifying round for the next season's UEFA Champions League, providing Mofokeng with an opportunity to test himself at the highest level of European football. Speaking to SABC Sport before the Bafana Bafana returned to Johannesburg following their FIFA World Cup campaign, Broos expressed confidence that the move will accelerate the young winger's development and said it is a good thing for him. He will progress. The Belgian coach, however, stressed that Mofokeng will need time to adapt to the demands of the European football. He said, "We don't have to expect from the first day that he will play. Really has to become stronger. The Belgian league is a tough competition, and the first 5 or 6 months will be about improving his fitness and physical strength." Broos believes Mofokeng's technical ability is already beyond question, with the challenge now being to cope with physical intensity of the European game, and said he is a talented player. Once he has the power he needs, such a competition will be no problem. Mofokeng enhanced his growing reputation during South Africa's FIFA World Cup campaign in the United States. He made an immediate impact after coming on at halftime in Bafana Bafana's 1-1 group, a draw against Seychelles, before producing another standout display in the team's 1-0 victory over South Korea, a result that secured qualification for the knockout stages. His influence made Broos' decision to substitute him at halftime during Bafana Bafana's last 32 encounter against Canada, one of the biggest talking points of the tournament. South Africa eventually suffered a heartbreak 1-0 defeat after conceding a stoppage time winner at SoFi Stadium in Los Angeles, bringing their World Cup journey to an end. Despite the disappointing exit, Mofokeng leaves the tournament with his reputation significantly enhanced and now has the opportunity to continue his rapid rise on one of the European football's biggest stages. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.